How to fix iPhone speaker sound too low. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today we're tackling a super common problem that a lot of iPhone users face. Your iPhone speaker sound is just too low. Whether it's for calls, notifications, or even listening to a music, a quiet speaker can be really frustrating. So I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your iPhone speaker sound. Let's dive right in. Head over to settings, scroll down and go to sounds and haptics. Now, one of the biggest culprits for low sound, especially for ringtones, is the silent mode. You'll see a switch for silent mode on your left hand side. You just need to toggle it off and then set it to ringer and make sure that the slider is also set to maximum. When this silent mode is on, it essentially mutes or significantly minimizes any kind of ringtones, alerts, and system sounds. But that's not the only one. Now you need to head over to ringtone and make sure that it is set to a good sound. And then you can see volume controls on the left hand side. Make sure that it is also set to high. I hope one of the solution helps you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.